Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Salsabila Rahma Kamila from English Literature 4D. And now I want to talk about news translation. What is new translations? First, we have to know what is definition of translation. Translation is the process of transferring message or meaning from source language to target language. So, news translation is the process of adapting an original news text from one language to another language. So that it can be read by the audience or people in the second language or all around the world. And then news translation, also known as journalistic translation. In journalistic translation research is a fairly new area of research in translation studies. The first research about it was conducted in the mid 2000s, but translation started appearing in newspapers as early as the 17th century. The first news text circulated in handwritten form, so few of these early texts still exist today. The first newspaper were called Avisi, a word of Italian origin. Translation was and still part of journalism in order for the public to be made aware of influential events happening in the world. For example, during the First and Second World Wars, journalistic translation was the way in which people were informed about the battles taking place in Europe and the Middle East. But for now, because technology is increasingly developing, so news is not only printed media. Translation can be includes translating content for various forms of media such as films, television, video games, and other multimedia platforms. News translation is one of the business that is often found in translating government documents and websites. Translation is necessary for the spreading new information, knowledge, and ideas across the world. It is absolutely necessary to achieve effective communication between different cultures or different language. So the primary purposes of translation, one of them is helps people who speak different language to understand news contents, and also it can be useful for worldwide industry because it enables mass media companies to reach people all around the world. There are many methods for translating language in text, and one of them is word for word translation, and second literal translation, faithful translation, communicative translation, semantic and adaptation, and free translation. But we not translating news, it must be formal and accurate so that the intended message is correct and there are no misunderstanding. News translation is very interesting, right? That's all that I can say about news translation. I'm sorry if there are any mistakes. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.